What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Daily on Supercars. We're here with Steve. Steve.
What's going on, guys? Steve Glass from Outside Our Garage. This is my 1992 R32 GT ST. It's a rear-wheel drive, 900 horsepower track build, which hasn't seen the track just yet, but hopefully pretty soon. We got basically all the bells and whistles under here. It's a 2.9 liter billet stroker kit from Spool, Borg 9280. You can pop this thing up, take a look. Ross Performant parts, full dry sump kit, Samsonis sequential 6-speed close ratio transmission. It's got a ATS carbon diff in it, plasma man intake, an intercooler, boost stock trigger kit, a whole bunch of other boost stock parts on here. Basically all the best from Australia. Full race manifold, twin scroll, twin tile, 40 mils. A lot of improved racing parts. Got the wheel cooler, got the relocation kit. Got a full fuel lab fuel system in here with their 6 gallon per minute spur gear top of the line pump, 2 of their big boy filters, ID 1700 injectors, and Fuel Labs Pro Series fuel regulator. Basically able to probably support up to about 1800 horsepower. So I think on max kill mode this thing will be about 1200. We clocked it at about 900 wheel last September, and we still got a little work to do.
You said 900 to the wheel. 900
to the wheels, yeah.
Guys, and I can't put it into words. I mean, I've been here a couple of times already talking to Steve about that back. I gotta get around the back real quick. Steve, talk to me about what else. Talk to me about these doors.
Sure, man. Yeah, these are Steven carbon doors with BR interior carbon door cards. We also have Steven carbon hood. This is the DBI2 hood, and these are extremely light. This is carbon fiber. Obviously, you open one of these doors up and you feel it swing. You know, there's no weight there.
Yep, like a feather.
So the stock doors, I think, weigh close to 60, 70 pounds each. These things, you could toss them across the parking lot like a frisbee, basically. Garage active mirrors on here, and obviously this is a full wide body Pandem kit. Raised T37V Mark IIs in the rear. Don't mind the bumper coming off in the rear there.
No, that's fine. That's fine. If it's a usable car,
yeah, man,
it's supposed to happen. Talk to me about these tires and wheels.
So yeah, these are Nitto 555 G2s. They're the drag radials. They are a 335 30/18. So we got plenty of beat back there. Ideally, would have liked to go to a 335 35, but only Dodge Viper OEM spec makes those things, so we'll have to live with what we got. But happily so far, anyways. The way that the tune is set up, we got a nice torque curve, and the power delivery comes on very smooth, and we haven't had any traction or wheel spin issues at all with it so far. Battle Arrow chassis mount rear wing from an S13, modified for the R chassis. And we got a full Tomei 3.5-inch titanium exhaust going up to a custom-made 4-inch turbo back. So she breathes really well.
That's good.
And obviously controlling everything in the electronic wise, we have the Haltech Nexus R5, utilizing a lot of the I/O in that device, and I can't speak highly enough about how awesome that thing is. Basically everything in the car is controlled by it, including all the street functions. Amazing setup. We also have basically every sensor on the car is from Haltech, no more OEM whatsoever. So we get incredible I/O and reading on everything back to the IC7 dash in the car. Also running the Haltech digital keyboard as well, so we have everything programmed to the keyboard. We can do almost everything in the car directly from pressing a button, which is pretty cool.
Wow, it is a beautiful machine. Again, wait to get over here and do this with you, Steve, because again the car looks amazing. It's just parked here, but again you can't put it into words how the car looks. Just standing here it's crazy. Again, the stand that this car has right now, I mean, again, hopefully the camera does justice.
It's tough. The camera normally doesn't pick it up, you know, but it's, when you see it in person,
yeah. Again, I've been passing through here a couple of times because again the back of this car, it looks different. It's something else. I don't know if you guys see how that comes out. That booty is big, and it is not a joke. We're talking 900 horsepower to the wheels. It is a beautiful machine, and these calipers and rims and tires, they definitely tell you that something is going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.